Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine on this day. It's the first day and holidays have just started for the kiddos in US all over. So the weather is very cold actually. So it's shivering. I've layered up myself so much and I'm wearing inside one t-shirt and this is my second t-shirt which I'm wearing. If you can see, I'm wearing two t-shirts. So it's that cold. So friends, today we'll do some nice sandwich and we'll do the simple egg sandwich and egg omelette. So it's a very simple way, but today I've given a nice twist onto my chai, and it is I didn't have milk actually at home, and the milk is finished, and I've just ordered. So I've made chai with condensed milk. So hope you like it, and let's get started. So now I'm adding some cilantro. I'm adding some salt, adding some chili powder, paprika, not all of it, a pinch of turmeric. Now I'm adding some chopped onions. So now I'll just whisk it well, and my skillet is too warm and too hot, so I've kept it on low heat. So I'll just pour this mixture on this skillet. So here it's almost looks like it's cooked, and we'll flip it. Oh, it's still sticking, that means it's not cooked. But let's soften up the sides. Oh, it's breaking. My omelette, while flipping, it just cracked off little, but it doesn't matter it anyway. We have to just eat it. So just leave it as it is. It'll be okay when you put it as a in the middle of the breads and make a bread sandwich. It will become an egg sandwich. So now I'll just flip it on the plate and see how nicely it will come out. Even though there was a crack, it came out so perfectly fine. So here I'm taking Texas sandwich. I like this Texas sandwich for eating for breakfast. It's yummy once in a while. I don't mind eating unhealthy. So it's a very good Texas bread. And it has thick slices. So I've just added some ghee over here, but I'll just show you how it comes out after it is all done, and you can put so many condiments of your choice. So I've flipped it very well and it's getting toasted very well. If you're not comfortable, please use a wooden ladle to flip it, but I'm used to doing all this hot things with my two fingers actually. So I need to think what nail polish also I need to do. I think I'll do some nice nail color. So here I've taken the second slice. I've added some ghee on the top to get it toasted. Oh, this already got toasted. I better off it. It was on too high heat. I like to do this. How many people like to do this? This is my favorite part, to just keep rolling on a hot skillet and playing games over here. How many people play games? This is my favorite part. So here I've put the sandwich down and I've kept the bread, the second one over here, ready to eat. Enjoy. I added little bit of Hidden Valley Ranch, spicy one. This is the best one which I like because it has red peppers. Adding a pinch of buffalo sauce also, just a pinch of it to get the tangy flavor. That's more than enough. This is this one which I wanted to show you all. I use this red hot wings buffalo sauce. Cutting this into half and sharing it with the kiddos. It's a full breakfast brunch. Now at least for 5 or 7 hours the children will say we are not hungry, and it's a good protein. Just see friends, enjoy, have the first bite. So friends, I'm going to show you the truth fact of my life. I just don't have milk in my house and I am craving for chai. So let's make chai with the condensed milk. So here I bought Great Value sweetened condensed milk. I've just poured it here. I'll be making chai with the condensed milk today because I don't have milk. So here I'm making chai for myself, and you all know when I have some breakfast, I really like to have a cup of chai. As today I don't have milk, so I'll just boil this water, and I took this water from the fridge, my filtered water. So friends, these are ginger which I used last night to make my fried rice in an instant pot. If you have not watched that, please watch that. So this was the skins, so I saved them and they dry off almost, they have dried. So I just add it in the water. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of tea powder. I'm adding 2 cloves just to get a good flavor of the chai. And here I'm adding a pinch of black pepper too, good for your throat and winters. And today is the first day of winter. Happy winters! So here friends, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of condensed milk. I've added it over here. Now I'll let it mix and it will give a good milky flavor. See, it turned off very good. So the chai came out really good. And friends, you should never boil your chai too much because it doesn't, it becomes poison and it becomes too strong. And just when the first boil comes, I off it, and here is the condensed milk chai. It's all ready. I'll just pour it. So today I'm pouring it with my left hand because of the camera, this one, and chai really looks delicious. You don't have to add sugar because condensed milk has so much of sugar already. And see the color of the chai, friends, so yum. It's smelling so good, delicious. And friends, this is one more tip which I always do but I have never told. You should always press down your tea leaves when you have strained it, when you have sieved it, so that all the goodness of your spices, of your ginger, cloves and all will just come into your chai, and you'll be doing so much of immunity drink hidden under this chai, friends. So enjoy and have the sip of chai. Enjoy. So you saw how easy it was to do, and it was an easy breakfast actually, something hot and something filling and some nice protein after a long time. I usually don't eat much of eggs, and but this kind of omelette everybody likes in my family, and this is the best breakfast. The chai was very good. It was out of this world, and it was smelling heaven with the ginger, dried ginger and black pepper and condensed milk. I didn't have to add sugar, so that was an added this one. So just 1 spoon of condensed milk made my chai look awesome, friends. So if you have liked this, and if you have liked the chai making and something which was different, please like it, share, comment and subscribe. Love you all. Bye.